The new Cuisinart AirFryer Toaster Oven provides you with a healthier, easy-to-use cooking method that produces great-tasting treats by using less fat. Air frying, which uses powerful ultra-hot air and 98% less oil than deep frying, is a healthier way to cook. Prepare your delicious fried favorites from wings and fritters to fries and shrimp using little or no fat in the cooking process. The Cuisinart AirFryer Toaster Oven is a premium full-size toaster oven with a built-in air fryer, which means it uses a combination of hot air, high blower velocity, and 4 upper heating elements to not only bake, toast, and broil, but also to air fry your favorite foods. Frying your favorite crispy foods with less fat, baking, broiling, and toasting. Now you can be guilt-free and enjoy the crunch without the calories with the new Cuisinart AirFryer Toaster Oven.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.